It's been a copy and paste forecast for us here the last 24 to 48 hours. We continue with the same old song and dance. Clouds, some sunshine, humidity, warmth, and a whole lot of wind out there as well. You can see the camera shaking from time to time. Those gusty conditions continue with us as we even get into the day tomorrow. Right now at Hobby, sustained winds right around 21 miles per hour. Temperatures coming in into the low and mid 80s across the board. And those winds, they're coming in straight out of the south, occasionally gusting upwards of 25 to 35 miles per hour here across our region. Temperature wise, as mentioned, most spots in the low and mid 80s. It's a warm day out there, and once you add in the humidity, it feels a couple degrees warmer than that. As we do progress in through this evening, temperatures not really going to be dropping all that much. We just dip down into the low 70s. We stay mild and muggy with clouds again working their way back into the picture throughout the overnight tonight and into early tomorrow morning. Rain chances limited here for the entirety of the weekend, maybe a sprinkle or two tomorrow morning, but we'll start to see rain chances really increase as we get into Monday. That's our next cold front that will be arriving here, especially as we get into the latter half of the day. I think by the time we get into Monday afternoon and Monday night, that's our best chance to see rain. Tuesday, still can't rule out a little bit of wet weather here across the region. I think primarily for the first part of the day. By Tuesday afternoon, we begin to dry things out, and high pressure then will be settling in for the middle to end of the week. Here's how it plays out as we get in through the rest of tonight. You'll notice clouds again working their way back in. Tomorrow morning, maybe a spritz or a sprinkle or two. I don't think it amounts to a whole lot. Pretty similar to what we had first thing this morning. A couple spritzes here and there, and then by the time we get towards about lunchtime, we're breaking through the clouds and we're starting to see more sunshine develop here across the region. Into Sunday night, again, the clouds thicken back up here across the region. And then on Monday, we'll start to watch a cold front approach the region. Moves through parts of central Texas as we get through the midday. And then you'll notice approaching our area by the time we get into the latter half of the afternoon and into Monday night. Here we are at 6 o'clock, and you'll notice that we've got some pretty heavy rain pushing on through parts of the area. This could be a problem for the Monday evening commute. Some of the rain will certainly be heavy at times, and we could even see some pockets of flooding here across the region. As we get in through Monday night, that front clears our region, and waking up on Tuesday morning, a couple lingering showers, but most of the day on Tuesday going to be drying out. We'll start to see temperatures drop off and less humid air start to arrive here across the region. Drought certainly a problem for pretty much the entire state. 88% of the state, in fact, dealing with some level of drought. The worst of it across West Texas, the Panhandle, and then stretching right along the hill country down towards the Rio Grande Valley. We do have drought concerns even here locally. Some locations just to the south of Houston included in severe drought conditions. So any bit of rain, happy to have it. We certainly do need it. And that best chance comes into the picture, as mentioned, on Monday with a cold front. Then behind it, high pressure builds. For Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, we're looking at a lot of sunshine and temperatures beginning to heat back up.